Updating your payment information on Kraken is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find and select the payment method section. This is where you can view and manage your payment information. Step 4. Update your payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srok.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information on Kraken. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken support for assistance.